to reset your LastPass Master Password. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for lastpass.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you'll have to make sure that you save your password and then information. Once you're done, you'll have to open another browser and then search for LastPass Delete Account. In here, we'll have to tap on this one, and then after that, you will be given different choices. From reset your account, delete your account, change your account email, and then recover your forgotten master password. Since we want to reset our account, all we need to do is to go to this reset your account. Keep in mind that once you reset your account, you will have to set up LastPass all over the beginning using the same email address. This will allow you to create a new password, but you will lose everything you have saved so far in your LastPass account. So what we need to do here is to tap on this reset option. After that, you will be asked if you remember your LastPass Master Password. What we need to do is to tap on this yes option, and then in here you will have to input your email address and then your master password. After that, simply reset your account. Once you have reset your account, it will automatically delete your account and then you can create another LastPass account using the same email address and then a new password. So that's how easy you can reset your LastPass Master Password. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!